I'm gonna go get a haircut. It's been exactly 1 year since I've gotten a haircut. It's just really long. Like these were here. And that's what I like. And that's what I want. Hello! I love this. This girl that I go to, she's so good. I've been going to her for 5 or 6 years now. It's been a long time. Okay, this is a cute house. It's nice and spacious. I'm showing a rental unit. I usually don't do this anymore, but this was close to my house. So when it's like that, I will take it, but okay, I'm gonna cook some Turkish food. I've been craving a Turkish dessert called Künefe, and also I'm gonna make a Beyti Kebab. It's crazy. I bought kadayıf just for this, and I've never made this before in my life, so this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna try to make Künefe. I'm so excited. But first I need to clean up this space because I don't have a dishwasher and I hate washing dishes by hand. So let me finish up what I have left and cook. So I did my grocery shopping yesterday, but I forgot yogurt. So now I have to go get yogurt. The bag is secured. Oh my gosh. I want a husband. You guys, I want a husband. Where's my husband? If you're watching this, I've been waiting for you. Where are you? Where have you been? I love these. Okay, I forgot to thaw this. So, as I wait, I can't wait. Wait, I can't wait. Okay, next we're gonna make Beyti Kebab. Beyti Kebab. It's gonna be delicious. Hopefully, because this is my first time ever making any kind of kebab. A little bit of mayo. Well, not a little. A lot of mayo. And yogurt. Tortillas. I swear to God, this is the first time I'm touching meat like this. Oh my God. What's gonna happen is we're going to spread I think this is too much. Teeny little one. Now let's cut our cheese. And we're gonna add some rose water as well into this syrup. I think I put too much water in the syrup. It tastes good. It's just water with sugar, but and rose water. It tastes like a syrup. It doesn't look like a syrup. It's ready, you guys. I did it. Okay, what's happening here? Ooh, it's happening. It's happening. Guys, it's so good. I had to put less cheese, but I did it. It's just missing pistachios. I just don't have pistachios. Yeah, I made it.